Hey there, welcome to this tutorial, which today we're going to be talking about the sticky bar, which is a brand new feature we've just added to TinyBrander. So let me jump right in and show you exactly where to find it, what it is, and how to manipulate it to your best suited needs for your store. So here we are inside our TinyBrander test account, and if we just go down here to Store Management, like this, and we can pick up one of the test stores we've got here. I'm going to use this one, a keto store, and just go to the three little dots you can see. Now, if you can't see those three little dots, somewhere on the left-hand side here, you'll see a plus symbol in a green circle. And if you see that and just click it, you will then see the three dots. If you hover over those three dots and go down to Settings, that's going to open up the store setting interface. And the place where you want to be is in Templates. Okay. Now, if you have an existing store that you want to add a sticky top or bottom bar to, what you're going to have to do is actually delete the template that you're using right now to show you all the templates again. So I'm going to do that right now. Just delete this store. And it's only deleting the template. So all of the other store settings remain the same. Okay, there we go. And so now what I am going to implement then is this store right here. And just hit the little pencil icon to get into that store. And there we go. Now we can see the whole store here that we can edit as part of the store editor. Now, for the sticky bar, and this is a sticky bar that will be stuck to the very top or the very bottom, whatever you select, of your store. You find that right at the very bottom of the template. You can see here it says this is a sticky bar. Feel free to customize it. So the first thing to notice is that you can customize the text. So the way you do that is by clicking the little cog icon here. And as you can see, you can easily adjust the font size and the bar adjusts accordingly, goes bigger or smaller. So let's say we do it something around 25 point. You can obviously affect the font that we use. So let's say in this one we're going to use, I don't know, Roboto maybe? Or no, let's use Oswald, I think. There we go. Yeah, perfect. And here is where you can type the exact kind of messages that you want to see right at the top here where it says text. So if we just highlight this text here, we can just start by saying, and it can be anything at all. It could be a coupon code that you've created that you want to advertise. So you could put something like save $10 today only with coupon code I don't know, Friday, for example. And as you can see, when you actually click off of this, that's going to then update that to the wording that you've put there. You can also affect the background color of this sticky by hitting the little paint bucket icon down here. Click on that, and you can actually change it to any color scheme you want. So if you want a greener color or a yellow color or a red color, you can change to whatever you want. So let's say we wanted it in blue. We can definitely choose a blue color like that. And if we wanted to, we could add a background image instead of a color just by clicking that toggle on and uploading an image right here. And that would put an image background in there. So I don't have an image to upload today, but if I wanted to, we could definitely do that. So that's how it works. Now, in terms of the positioning of that, whether you want it sticky to the top or sticky to the bottom, that is done right here in this section where it says position. And I am going to choose it to be at the top, but you could easily choose to select to have it sticky to the bottom of the view. But I'm choosing to have it at the top. I think that works best. And once you've done that, if you just hit the save and publish, like this and just allow it to go out and save and publish that site, I can go and show you exactly how that looks in the real world. Okay, as you can see there, that's now published, and if we just copy this URL and go and take a look at it live, you can see now we have this bar at the top that says save $10 today with coupon code Friday. And if we scroll, you can see that that is sticky to the top. So that's a really great call to action for your store. So that's how the sticky bars work. I hope you found this helpful. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, you can reach us at support@tinybrander.com. All right, guys, all the best. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.